Welcome to your weekly UAS news update. We have 4 stories for you this week. The first one is Aloft's new multi-view live stream for their enterprise users. We'll talk about Prime Air that continues to lose people. And then Skydio is giving up on consumer drones. And then lastly, we have some upcoming events that we want to talk about. Let's get to it. Your first story this week is Aloft, the company behind AirControl that has overhauled their live streaming system for their enterprise customers. The update allows for multi-view streaming of drone feeds across different teams, a live map interface to view the location of the operation, and then also a shareable link for those that may need to share the video outside of their organization. Now, this is a pretty interesting addition for Aloft customers and one that we are going to be testing out in the next couple of weeks, so we'll let you know how cool it is. All right, your second story this week is Amazon Prime Air, who, according to CNBC, continues to lose upper management people and even possibly lower management people. The 2 people that Amazon has lost in the last month include Robert Dreher, who was responsible for Prime Air's testing operations, and then Jim Mullen, who was Prime Air's chief pilot. Both of these people were based at their Pendleton, Oregon site and didn't respond to requests for comments. As we've seen over the last few years, Amazon appears to be really struggling with their aircraft, the staffing especially, deliveries, and even the regulatory approvals. According to another CNBC article, the location at the Lockford, California, Amazon employees have to actually incentivize the 2 homes that are eligible for a delivery by using gift cards to get them to order and place orders so that they can arrive via drone. So it's a lot smaller, I think, than a lot of people think this Amazon testing has been. It appears that they were falling well short of the 10,000 delivery goal that they had for 2023, which is going to further delay their required flight time and then the FAA approval for more locations. So we'll keep you posted if we hear more on this, but yeah, this has not been looking too good for Amazon. The third story this week is Skydio that is giving up on consumer drones. Now, this might come as a surprise to some of you. I can't say that I'm actually surprised. According to an Instagram post on Thursday, Skydio said, after careful consideration, we have made the decision to sunset our consumer drone offerings and shift our focus to exclusively serve enterprise and public sector consumers. I'm not surprised because Autel recently decided that they were going to sunset the Nano and the Lite series, and then there has been no consumer releases from Autel or even Parrot in 2022 or 2023. Obviously, no new offerings from Skydio either at that time, which pretty much leaves DJI wide open without any real competition at this stage, I would say, as far as the consumer drone is going on. I find it also very interesting. Skydio has been spending a lot of money on lobbying to get DJI out of a lot of public safety hands and to basically leave no other option for certain people. We've even seen some efforts to get DJI out of the regular customers, not just public safety. And so it doesn't come as a surprise, but I think it's going to kind of hurt the industry in general. And talking about the consumer drone in this case, I love my DJI drones, but I would also love to have competition from other drones, things that we can talk about, and competition is good for everyone. DJI has been releasing these drones so quickly, one after the other, month after month, and we haven't really seen any responses from anybody else. So let me know what you think in the comments of the effect that this is going to have on consumer drones in general. And then if you have a Skydio drone already, let me know what you think about this happening to your drone. And your final story this week is some upcoming events. First off, we have Commercial UAV Expo, September 5 to 7th, and we're going to be there with a booth. So make sure you come visit us at booth 333. This is happening in Las Vegas. And make sure you come in and ask your questions, take pictures, and of course, get some lanyards, keychain holders, and all the other free stuff that we're going to have available in the booth. And then the second event is going to be in Buena Vista, Colorado. This is September 17th and 18th. And if you're in the Colorado area or close to it, we highly recommend checking out the Colorado Drone Roundup. That's what it's called. This is hosted by Mountain West UAS. This will be the 3rd year that we're sponsoring the event, and in the 2nd year attending. I was there last year, loved it, and I'm going to go back this year. We're actually going to be flying our Diamond into that beautiful area, and I'm excited to see the great people over there and then network with with everyone and spend some good time in Colorado. All right, and then the last thing, we'll have a drone live stream on Monday. Make sure to tune in and ask your questions. We missed the last 2 weeks because we were traveling to Oshkosh, but we have some cool story to tell, and then some really cool story and questions to answer for everyone. So that's it. I'll see you next week, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Between I'm gonna do that again.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man.